Hey, it's David from the Tribe of Athletes, and I quickly want to speak about the power of your subconscious mind. And in particular, there are three things that are so important about the subconscious mind that you need to know and you need to study. Because if you're listening to me now, you probably, chances are that you've heard about how powerful your subconscious mind is. And it's our emotional mind. It's where you have your thinking mind that you use to pay attention to me now, but then everything that you master in life, and you as an athlete, you know that. Everything that you're good at, you have internalized it and it's automatic. It's like you can do it in flow. I can wake you up in the morning at 3 o'clock, and you can jump out and you can do that shot that you've practiced thousands of times, or you can do the jab that you've done thousands of times, right? So with the subconscious mind, those three things are, and I'm gonna go, there's no particular order about it, but the most important thing is that your subconscious mind only learns through repetition. That is number one. And it's so important. It only learns through repetition. So what does that mean? Like literally everything else in life is that you have to do it again and again. You have to do it every day. So you have to set aside time every day to reprogram or to work out or to train your subconscious mind, because it only learns through repetition. Okay, that was number one. Number two is that your subconscious mind cannot reject an idea. So when you think about it, your thinking mind can reject an idea, can accept or reject. So if you're scrolling through social media, for example, and you're not liking something, you just say, oh no, that doesn't fit in my worldview and I don't want none of that. And it's rejected. But your subconscious mind does not have the ability to reject. And the way you can think about it is a baby only has the subconscious mind in the beginning. They don't have the thinking mind yet. That develops at the later age. And so depending on where the baby grows up, it will learn that language. It cannot reject the idea. It cannot say, no, I'm not going to learn English. It's just whatever comes in with repetition, that seed is planted. Okay, so that's number two, that the subconscious mind cannot reject an idea. And number three is that your subconscious mind cannot differentiate between a real experience and one that is vividly imagined, right? And vividly imagined, that means you're involving your emotions. And that takes a little bit of practice, but as you practice your visualization techniques, your imagination, it becomes more colorful. You will start to, maybe you can already do it, right? I mean, a lot of people can, and it's beautiful. Start to involve your heart. And if you put emotion in it, if you vividly imagine, your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference if it was a real experience or if it wasn't. So let me summarize. And this is good news for you, it's good news for me, it's good news for everybody, because we can control that. So the subconscious mind learns through repetition. So what can we do when we know that information? We can block time to every day, allocate a bit of time to train and study the subconscious mind. That's number one. Number two is that it cannot reject an idea. That means if it cannot reject whatever you plan in it, because you choose it, you make a choice what you want in it, it cannot reject. So you can't fail. If you do it with repetition, you cannot fail. There's no way for you to fail. And number three is the subconscious mind cannot differentiate between what's real and what's imagined. And that means if you're getting good at visualization, and guess what? You're going to get good if you do it every day with repetition. That means you can experience things, relationships, achievements, new results, medals. You can achieve them before they have happened. You can achieve confidence before it has happened because you imagine it. And then with repetition, you impress it up on your subconscious mind and it cannot reject the idea, right? So these are really beautiful things and they're so powerful. You just got to wrap your head around it. And if it sounds like foreign or like weird to you, it's just because you haven't heard about it. That doesn't mean it's not true. And the information that I'm giving you, it's not my information, it's the information that I've studied over the years, but it's also, I have mentors, world-class mentors, and they have studied their entire lives, the most successful athletes on this planet. And that's what they're saying as well. So keep that in mind. Listen to this video again and again and listen to the powerful message that is inside of it, because you can have it all. You just got to make a committed decision to get into it and to start asking questions. So how does it work? What can I do every day? And you'll see how your results are going to come faster than you can ever imagine. And they're going to come like so, the curve is exponential. They're going to come so fast that you're going to be wondering where they've been hiding all these years. Okay, certainly happened to me. It's happening to others. So it can happen for you as well. I wish you a great day and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.